Hi guys, good morning. I'm coming today buy something for my friend and for myself. So see that market I am coming here today. See the shops, shoes. That is the again shoes. This very cheaper shoes, 3 real 500 paisa. This is the shoes collection, chappal collection. That is the shoe collection. See 3 real like that. So guys, here also have cheaper, also expensive, also have. So see that I am buying for one shoe for me. That is the 2 real 300 paisa. These shoes I buy. This one I buy for me. Okay. See here. Now too much bag here. Too much staple. Now we are going to the cloth side. There is the pant. I want to buy one also one pant. See that here. See this t-shirt, shirt. You see, guys, very cheaper. Have expensive also have. See, guys, this 6 real almost. Any can take it the 6 real, but good cotton cloth is the good, not for that other cotton. See guys, underwear here, variety underwears have. Okay guys, see you next video. Subscribe my channel. Okay guys, after we show you, we buy some chocolate with my friends going to home. Buy chocolate. After I show you the chocolate price also. See blazer, blazer 7 real.